What's up, traders? Welcome to today's Equity Empire chart analysis session. When most investors are throwing darts, we're looking for clues in the charts. My name is John McHugh. I'm a former Wall Street analyst, hedge fund manager, and independent trader for the better part of 20 years. Today, we're going to be taking a look at Pinterest, symbol PINS. And when we look at the chart today, we're simply going to be assessing two things. One, what is the direction of the trend? And two, are there clues as to where the big money might be stacked up trying to buy or trying to sell? So step one, let's assess the trend. The way we'll do that is we'll simply look for the two most recent highs and the two most recent lows. So from high to low, low to high, high to low, you'll notice as they're moving from left to right, the highs are moving higher. So just this week, Pinterest broke out to an uptrend. As moving from left to right, the lows are also moving higher. So we have an uptrend in Pinterest. When we've got an uptrend, we'll simply look for support levels for either bounce trades or lower entry prices for longer term positions. So let's do exactly that. Let's go look for a support level or two. And yes, there is a support level right here in the 33.16 to 32.38 price range. There's another support level right here in the 31.16 to 30.43 price range. So two support levels to consider for either a bounce trade or a lower discounted price for a longer term position. Now let's go see if there's a resistance level. And this gets pretty interesting here, folks, because there is a near term resistance level right here in the 34.26 to 35 price range. In other words, price is just about bumping up against that resistance level. And because of that, because that's not going to give us enough reward potential for a bounce off of the upper level, the upper support level, to get to that resistance level, I'm not going to set up a trade on the 33.16 support level. I'm going to be looking for a pullback to a lower level. So the way we would construct the trade would be this. We'd place a buy limit order, the 31.16 price range. For protective stop just below the 30.43 price. Drag the target just in front of the resistance level, and you'd be looking at about a 3.6 to 1 reward to risk ratio. Okay? In other words, for every $100 worth of risk you would take, you could have a reward potential of $360. Now, ideally, the trade would play out something like this. Ideally, we would get a pullback to our support level in the 31.16 price range, then bounce off that level and work its way higher before retesting the longer-term resistance level. Okay? Once again, that trade, if it were to play out like that, we would have a 3.6 to 1 reward to risk ratio. So let's wrap up today's session, folks. We had a quick one today. I'll be back each and every day this week for more chart analysis. In the meantime, wish you the best of luck in your trading investing, and we'll see you soon.